Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing thigh stretch here on the reformer. I love a good thigh stretch. If you take my online mat classes, you know I never skip the thigh stretch in the mat. This is just so good, and I think a lot of us from sitting so much just don't give enough attention to that. So here on the reformer, it's really quite lovely exercise, and there is a little swan back bend at the end if you want to do a little more extension in it, like you would on the Cadillac. In another video, I'll show you the actual big back bend that you can do after thigh stretch that doesn't require the straps. It's a different exercise. But 3 heavy springs on, and then you bring your knees up to your shoulder rests, and you walk your hands a little further forward than you think, because you want to get to where when the springs are closed, your shoulders are over your hips are over your knees. Okay, so the knees are not just down, they're also hugging towards each other. So if you have knee issues, but you can stand on your knees, I would put a block or a ball between your knees, and that will give you something to hug on to, right? Press your feet down, and then lean back, moving the knees down and towards each other, and the crown of your head away from your knees, and then coming back up. And again, you go down and back, and you come all the way back up. So I'm not trying to go as deep as I can because I'm trying to go as long as I can. So it's not camel, right? I'm not leading with my head. Another version is more archival, is to pull the arms to your thighs and then lean back and then keep your arms back there as you come up. Now, if that's going well for you, you can do a little swan back there. So you go back as far as you can hold it. Doesn't have to be very far. You open the chest up as you reach your knees down, and then you come back up in a straight line and you go back up. I'll show that again. So sometimes I can get really low, not right now with my legs, but I'm gonna hug my legs down and towards each other. I'm gonna reach back. I'm gonna open my chest up, come up and up. So what you don't wanna do when you do that back bend is to shove your lower back forward to do the back bend. The lower back stays long, and then your upper back does the back bend. So the extension stays in the upper back, just like we always do it in every swan, right? Do 3 to 5 before you do the back bend. You can do 1 to 2 of those. And then if you are interested in doing bigger back bends, there are some of those, and you can request them in the comments below. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.